At number 3, we have the weBoost Drive Reach. This booster excels at pulling distant cell signals with its industry-leading 29.5 decibel uplink power, enabling connections up to 60% farther from towers than earlier models. This booster enhances multiple devices simultaneously, delivering stronger voice clarity, faster hotspot speeds, and reliable data in remote areas through its redesigned magnetic antenna and heat-dissipating chassis. Field tests confirm it converts weak 1-bar signals into stable 3-bar connectivity, maintaining calls and maps even deep in forests. Installation requires no tools thanks to the Velcro-mounted amplifier and flexible cable routing, while the built-in charger prevents battery drain. Compatible with all major carriers and modern 5G networks, it's backed by a 2-year warranty, making it a robust solution for adventurers and remote workers needing dependable cellular access beyond typical booster range.